Hi everyone, this is my next workout video for you. So last week I was ill, but I'm back. I'm ready to do some very hard workouts for you. This will be a time challenge. We will do 4 different exercises and 4 rounds. The first exercise will be elevated jump lunges, 20 reps. The second will be close 10 push-ups, elevated, 10 reps. The third one will be elevated plank hops, 20 reps, and the last one will be lateral pull downs with very light dumbbells and 10 reps. So you will need a step board or a box, very light pair of dumbbells, and that's it. Push-up bar is optional, as always. So let's do this workout together. Okay. And start your timer now. Elevated jump lunges, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Elevated close 10 push-up. Reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Elevated plank hops, 20 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And lateral pull downs, 10 reps. Okay, this was the first round. Let's do the second one. Jump lunges. Go. Elevated push-ups. Elevated plank hops. very hard with this lightweight weights. Oh, okay, it was the second round. We will do it 2 times more. Okay. Plank hops. And last round. So that was the third one. And last one. are done. Okay, that was the fourth round. So, guys, as you can see, I lost also from my upper body strength during my illness and a lot of endurance in general, but I'm back. It was a very hard workout for me, but it was a good workout to start the whole high intensity interval training again. So I will explain the whole workout for you after a very short break. So now I'm going to explain the whole exercises for you, but first of all do a push-up for Shumi. Okay, so the first exercise was elevated jump lunge. Put your one foot to the box, to the step board, and the other leg is extended, and do a jump lunge. Now the left leg on your box and the right leg is extended, and try to pick up the pace. Try to do this movement as fast as you can. Lower your body towards the floor, and your knee should not undergo over your ankle. Okay? The second exercise was elevated cross hand push-up. This kind of push-up will more intensely work your triceps. Your hands are close together and under your shoulder. Step on the box and do a push-up. Your upper arm is very close to your upper body, and push yourself to the initial position. Go down and power up. Okay, the third exercise was elevated plank hops. So the initial position is the same. Step back on the box, on the step board, and jump forward towards your hand and jump back. And you have to pick up the pace. You have to do it as fast as you can. Don't lower your back, don't round your back. Your body is in one straight line. The last exercise was lying lateral push down, pull down, grab a very light weight, lie on your step board, extend your arm above your head, and pull down your hand to your head. Now the dumbbells are next to your ears, and push back. It is a slow movement. Try to feel your muscles around your scapula. Okay, so it was my fifth advanced workout for you, beginners. I will post another workout for you. This will be beginner's workout number 11, and it will contain the same exercises as advanced workout 5, but with modified exercises. So see you soon. I I hope you enjoy this workout. If you like it, give a thumbs up. And after your workout, don't forget to stretch your muscles. Soon I will post a stretching routine for you and also a warm-up routine for you. But have a nice day, have a nice week. Bye bye.